Hey guys, welcome to Protein Treats by Nutracell. I'm Melanie Wildman and I am the creator of Nutracell. It is the only prebiotic protein that's also gluten-free, nut-free, no added sugar, 100% natural ingredients with no artificial sweeteners and no artificial flavors. And I'm super excited because today we're gonna make a Snicker Doodle Smoothie together. And when you think Snickerdoodle, I know you think what I think. Oh my goodness, so much sugar. Oh my goodness, so many calories. But no. We're gonna do a Snickerdoodle absolute favorite treat with no sugar and no artificial anything. So I'm gonna show you how easy this is to do. Let's get started. All right, we want this to be creamy, light, airy, with just that touch of cinnamon, just like a real Snickerdoodle. So all we're going to need is a few really easy ingredients. A little bit of full fat whipping cream, and remember, fat doesn't make you fat, sugar makes you fat, so we want that healthy, nice, organic, really thick, creamy, local whipping cream, and that's what we have here. I have a touch of cinnamon here, a little bit of water, and a little bit of ice, plus our vanilla and our salted caramel Nutracelle, and that's it. That's all you guys are gonna need. I'm gonna show you how quick and easy this is to put together and how thick and creamy it turns out. So we're gonna put in a touch of our cream, and I've used maybe, I would say, not quite a quarter cup, so a few tablespoons of whipped cream. You can use more or less depending on what you like. I'm also gonna add in my ice and a touch of water here, not too much. And I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. So I don't wanna add a lot. I'm just adding a pinch, as you can see here. And actually, once I drink it, I'm gonna put a little bit on the top. It's gonna make it really pretty, like a bit of a garnish. All right, I'm gonna put in 1 scoop of our salted caramel Nutracelle. It smells so good, you guys. Look how fine that is. It is milled so finely. All of our flavors here use 100% natural ingredients. And what's so amazing about that is our natural ingredients are gluten-free and nut-free all the way through right to the farm. And that's what's so amazing about what we do is we use real ingredients and we really make it so that it's healthy and natural with none of that icky stuff, none of those chemicals that you get. So now I'm using the vanilla, and oh, the vanilla smells so amazing. I'm gonna put a scoop in there, and now all we're gonna do is put the lid on. We're gonna give this a quick blend. We're gonna have a Snickerdoodle smoothie in about 5 seconds. There we go. And it's really almost turned into a bit of an ice cream here, you guys. I'll show you as we pour this in. Look at this. Look how thick and creamy and delicious that is. That's all of, oh my goodness. That is so amazing and so delicious. This looks like an old-fashioned, really an old-fashioned vanilla milkshake, except we've got a little bit of salted caramel. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on the top here, like a Snickerdoodle, and I'm gonna tilt this so you guys can get a good look at it. Can you see that? Oh, this smells so good in here, and it looks good, and it's completely guilt-free. This is gonna keep you full for hours. You could actually have this as a decadent treat to start your day, or you could even have it to replace your lunch, or at night when you start to get a little snacky and it's movie night, instead of having junk food, this is your treat. All right, let's give this a taste test and make sure it actually turned out as good as it looks. This is so good. You guys are absolutely gonna love it. There's no way this can be healthy. This feels like I'm tricking myself, but I'm not. This is so good. If you love Snickerdoodles, you're gonna love this probably even more. It's absolutely amazing. Make sure you subscribe, click the little bell so that you always get the notifications when we have a new, simple, yummy recipe coming out that makes you feel full for hours and helps you lose weight naturally. And if you want an idea, or you want me to turn one of your favorite recipes into something healthy, go ahead and put that in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback, and I love creating recipes just for you. And if you want to know a little bit more about Nutrilean and about why it's so amazing, you can check us out at Nutracell.com. And of course, I will see you guys back here next week. Have a great week, you guys. Stay healthy.